Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and mules are cute, but Moscow mules are delicious. And that's why I was so happy to get this Benicci Moscow Mule Mugs. Now, personally, the Moscow Mule is one of my favorite drinks to just sip on, relax. I just love the taste of the lime and the mint along with the ginger beer. It is absolutely delicious. And what I love about these is somehow these cups do make it taste better. I'm sure there's some scientific reason why they do that, because they're always served in these types of mugs. But also, not only does it taste great in these, but they just look so pretty. I love just having them out there when I'm hanging out with the girls or just enjoying a drink by myself. These are just so much fun. It just makes the occasion so much more special. How you don't have to go to a bar or a restaurant in order to get that fancy, delicious Moscow Mule. It comes with this cool copper shot measure along with two nice copper straws. So I think it is really nice. It's high quality, it's beautiful, it's just a lot of fun. And I think you're going to love it like I do. And that's my point of view.